Alright, so this is doing a thermostat on a 5.7 GXI-A. First, you got to remove all the hoses and hose clamps, and then unplug the gauge sender. And once you get through all the hoses, you take a 14 mil to the 2 bolts. They shouldn't be too tight. Just buzz those off real quick, and then the housing can just be removed.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
The lid's already off.
Once you pull the housing off, the thermostat's held in by an O-ring. You can take a pick or a flathead and just pull that O-ring out, and then the thermostat will just come right out. And then make sure you remove your old gasket. It's tedious, but you can get it done pretty quick. After you have your old gasket removed, put the new thermostat in, just drop it in, and then take the O-ring. There's a little ledge for it that it seats in, and take a little grease on the O-ring, get it seated in, and then make sure it's all tight. And after you have it all in, you can just reassemble everything in the reverse order. And it only took about 25 minutes to do the whole job. It's pretty easy.